If you want to hide apps on a Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then you can do this by going to the security app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Once you are in the security, you want to scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox. And here you should be able to find hide apps at the bottom. So let's select hide apps. And now we can choose which apps should be hidden, and they will be removed from the home screen and the app drawer. So as an example, I'm gonna hide the WhatsApp, both of them. The second one is the clone. And as you can see right now in the app drawer, there is no WhatsApp anymore. So in order to find the hidden app, or actually hidden apps, then what you need to do is perform this gesture like this. So with the two fingers, you need to move them away from each other, just like you would do when trying to zoom in. And there we go, and we have hidden apps here. Of course, we can add them here, we can hide notifications, we can even use the app lock if we want to. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!